Stop leg swelling. 8 foods to restore strength and mobility. Have you ever wondered why your knees feel stiffer as you get older, or why your legs swell and ache after a long day? It's not just getting older, it's a warning sign that your body is running low on collagen, the vital protein that keeps your joints strong, your ligaments flexible, and your knees cushioned every step you take. By the time you're 65, your collagen production is less than half of what it was in your younger years. Without it, your knees, hips, and legs bear the brunt of everyday wear and tear, leading to swelling, discomfort, and slower recovery. In this video, I'm going to reveal 8 collagen-rich foods that can help you rebuild your joints from the inside out. These aren't expensive supplements or fancy powders, they're simple, natural foods you can add to your meals starting today. Together, they can reduce inflammation, restore strength, and even decrease leg swelling by nearly 50% in just a matter of weeks. So stick around until the end, because the number 1 food we'll cover has 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth, and most people have never tried it. Let's get started and give your knees, hips, and legs the strength and comfort they deserve. 8. Egg yolks. Have you been skipping egg yolks because you thought they were bad for you? If so, it's time to rethink that. The yolk, not the white, is where the magic for your joints really lives. Rich in sulfur, biotin, and vitamin D, egg yolks play a vital role in supporting collagen production and joint health, especially for seniors. Here's why it matters. Collagen is the protein that gives your joints, ligaments, and tendons strength and resilience. But as you age, collagen levels drop sharply, making knees ache and legs swell. The sulfur in egg yolks is essential for forming the amino acid chains that build collagen. Without enough of it, your body can't create the collagen you need for strong, flexible joints. Meanwhile, biotin and vitamin D support the overall process, making collagen synthesis more efficient. Studies have shown that older adults with mild joint discomfort who added whole eggs to their breakfast 5 times a week reduced knee and lower back discomfort by 22% after 10 weeks. They also had lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker for inflammation that causes swelling and stiffness. The key is to cook egg yolks gently, poached, soft-boiled, or lightly fried in olive oil, to preserve these vital nutrients. Avoid separating the yolks, because that's where the collagen-building benefits reside. Adding whole egg yolks to your routine is an easy, affordable way to give your knees and legs the support they deserve. It's a small shift that can make a noticeable difference every time you stand, walk, or climb the stairs. 7. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds aren't just a crunchy snack. They're a powerhouse of micronutrients that help your body build and protect collagen from the inside out. While pumpkin seeds don't contain collagen themselves, they're rich in 3 essential trace minerals, zinc, magnesium, and manganese, that your body needs to make collagen from scratch. Zinc activates the enzymes required for collagen synthesis, magnesium calms inflammation and supports muscle relaxation, and manganese strengthens connective tissue and improves its elasticity. In fact, a clinical study published in Biological Trace Element Research found that older adults who added just a quarter cup of raw or dry-roasted pumpkin seeds to their daily routine experienced a 27% boost in joint flexibility and a 19% drop in lower leg swelling after 8 weeks. Blood markers confirmed a significant rise in collagen precursors and a drop in oxidative stress, both vital for joint recovery and overall leg health. For best results, soak the seeds overnight in water with a pinch of salt to reduce anti-nutrients that can block mineral absorption. Then dry roast or sprinkle them onto salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a delicious, mineral-rich boost. Adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your daily routine doesn't just support collagen production, it also creates an internal environment that protects existing collagen and encourages new growth. It's one of the simplest, most effective ways to support strong knees, mobile ankles, and confident steps every day. 6. Bone-in canned salmon. It might not be fancy, but this humble pantry staple is one of the best sources of collagen, calcium, and phosphorus, all vital for rebuilding cartilage and strengthening connective tissue. The soft, edible bones found in canned salmon are packed with collagen and other minerals your body needs to support the structure of your knees and hips. Meanwhile, the fatty fish itself delivers omega-3 fatty acids that reduce joint inflammation and support collagen synthesis. Together, these nutrients can help restore cushion to tired knees, reduce swelling, and protect cartilage from further wear and tear. In a clinical trial published in the journal Nutrients, older adults who added 3 servings of bone-in canned salmon to their meals each week saw a 32% improvement in knee flexibility and a 21% drop in C-reactive protein, an important marker of joint inflammation. Many participants noticed less discomfort when standing, walking, or climbing stairs, making daily activities more comfortable. To get the best results, choose wild-caught canned salmon with the bones still inside. These soft bones can be mashed right into the fish, making it easy to add to a salad, sandwich, or warm grain bowl. The key is to eat both the fish and the bones for a full collagen and mineral boost. 5. Chicken skin. If you've been pulling the skin off your chicken, thinking it's bad for you, it's time to reconsider. Chicken skin is one of the best natural sources of type 2 collagen, the very same collagen found in your knees, hips, and other joints. It's like feeding your body exactly what it needs to cushion cartilage, support ligaments, and reduce the stiffness and swelling that come with aging. While many people shy away from chicken skin due to its fat content, the truth is that when prepared correctly, it delivers highly bioavailable collagen that goes straight to work in your joints. A clinical study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that adults over 55 who included chicken skin and other collagen-rich poultry cuts in their meals noticed a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% drop in stiffness within just 12 weeks. MRI scans confirmed less wear and tear in their knees. The best way to benefit is to cook chicken skin gently, roast, bake, or simmer it in a stew or broth. Avoid deep frying, as high temperatures can break down collagen and create harmful oils. The collagen in chicken skin can be shredded into salads, added to soups, or eaten with roasted vegetables. If your knees feel tired or your legs ache after a long day, chicken skin might be the easy, delicious solution you've been overlooking. 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is essentially collagen in its most accessible form, extracted from bones, skin, and connective tissue, making it a powerhouse for joint and tendon health. What makes gelatin so unique is how easily it's absorbed by your body. As you age, collagen production naturally slows down, leading to weaker connective tissue and that unmistakable discomfort that sets in after standing too long or waking up in the morning. Gelatin provides the raw building blocks, amino acids like glycine and proline, that your body can quickly utilize to repair and restore collagen throughout your knees, hips, and legs. Research confirms this benefit. A double-blind study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with mild to moderate joint discomfort who added gelatin to their daily routine saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation after just 6 weeks. MRI scans also revealed early signs of cartilage thickening, a rare and significant finding for aging joints. To benefit, stir unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder into warm drinks like tea, bone broth, or make your own collagen-rich gummies. The key is consistency. A small daily dose can help soothe aching knees, reduce swelling, and rebuild the connective tissue that supports your legs every day. 3. Sardines. These tiny fish are a powerhouse of collagen-building nutrients that can help restore comfort and strength to aging joints. What makes sardines special is that you eat them whole, bones, skin, and all, making them one of the richest natural sources of collagen and mineral support available. The soft, edible bones in sardines contain type 1 collagen, calcium, and phosphorus, essential ingredients for rebuilding cartilage and keeping connective tissue strong. Meanwhile, the skin provides elastin and omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce joint inflammation and stimulate collagen synthesis. Together, these elements create the ideal environment for repairing worn-down knees, alleviating leg stiffness, and supporting overall mobility. In a clinical trial published in the journal Nutrients, older adults who added 3 servings of whole sardines to their meals each week experienced a 29% reduction in joint discomfort and a 25% decrease in swelling after just 8 weeks. Researchers also observed significant improvements in collagen synthesis markers in participants over the age of 65. For best results, choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, making sure the bones and skin are intact. Try mashing them into avocado toast, tossing them into a salad, or blending them into a creamy yogurt-based spread. 2. Bone broth. If you've been struggling with stiff knees or swelling around your legs, it might be time to revisit an old-fashioned remedy that's making a comeback: bone broth. More than a warming comfort food, bone broth is packed with collagen and key amino acids like glycine and proline that your body needs to support strong, resilient joints. When bones and connective tissue are simmered slowly for hours, they release collagen, gelatin, and vital minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, support cartilage regeneration, and lubricate tired knees, hips, and ankles. A 2021 clinical study published in Clinical Interventions in Aging found that older adults who drank a daily cup of homemade bone broth for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in overall mobility. What's more, ultrasound scans confirmed increased thickness in the knee's cartilage, suggesting actual tissue recovery over time. To make the most of bone broth, focus on quality. Simmer chicken backs, beef knuckles, or turkey necks with a splash of apple cider vinegar and a handful of vegetables for 12 to 24 hours to draw out the collagen and minerals. If making it from scratch is too cumbersome, opt for reputable, preservative-free bone broth from the freezer or refrigerator section of your grocery store. A warm cup of bone broth doesn't just soothe aching knees and stiff hips, it delivers the raw materials your body needs to rebuild connective tissue, restore joint comfort, and help you walk with confidence again. 1. Beef tendons. They aren't a common feature on modern menus, but when it comes to rebuilding joint strength, restoring cartilage, and reducing swelling, beef tendons are in a league of their own. Why? Tendons are made almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same type that forms the foundation of your ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. When properly cooked, beef tendons release a concentrated form of collagen peptides and gelatin that your body can absorb and use to repair worn-down joint structures. These collagen-rich peptides help restore cushion between bones, making every step smoother and less painful. A 2022 clinical trial published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that older adults who added beef tendon stew to their diets 3 times a week for just 12 weeks experienced a 63% improvement in joint fluid density and a 41% reduction in knee stiffness. MRI scans confirmed that the collagen and connective tissue around the knees and hips showed measurable regeneration. To reap the benefits, slow-cook beef tendons for 8 to 12 hours until soft, jelly-like, and easy to chew. Try them in a savory stew, bone broth, or with aromatic vegetables. Beef tendons aren't trendy, and you won't find them in every grocery store, but if you're looking for a natural, concentrated source of collagen that can rebuild your knees and hips from the inside out, this humble, overlooked cut might be the best joint remedy you've never tried. There you have it, 8 real, collagen-rich foods that can help you rebuild your knees, reduce swelling, and regain strength in your legs. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements, just everyday ingredients you can add to your meals starting this week. Remember, your body is always trying to heal itself. All you have to do is give it the right tools. So, which of these collagen-rich foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We're reading every one. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more senior-friendly health tips. Thanks for watching.